how to remove login passwords from Windows 11 PC or laptop. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's tutorial we will see how we can remove login password from Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, first of all, go to your settings. For that, click on the search icon and in search bar search for settings. Once you're on the settings, now head towards the menu bar on your left hand side and click on accounts. Here scroll down a bit and under account settings click on sign in options. Once you're here, now click on password and then click on change button. Here enter your device current password. Then click on next. Once you have entered your password, on the next field, you will be asked to change your password. There, you will see 3 text fields, and there make sure you leave all those fields empty. You don't have to type anything or save the password. Then click on Save Changes. And after that, you can close this. And now you have to sign out of your device. Go to the sign out and click on OK, and once you're logged out, after that if you wish to log in again, you will not be asked to enter your password, you will be directly logged into your computer. So that's how you can remove login password in Windows 11 PC or laptop, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.